welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hello, viewers. Today is a special day because I am launching my um, YouTube channel today, and the content is Electrical and Computer Engineering Lecture Series. So, before I start, I want to introduce myself. I'm Radha Guha. I have a PhD degree in electrical and computer engineering from University of California, Irvine, which I earned in 2007. And before doing PhD, I studied in NIT Durgapur for BTech and Jadavpur University for my master's degree. So after doing my BTech and MTech, I was in the industry. First, I was working as an electrical engineer, and then I switched to programmer, software consultant. I worked in India and USA. After going to USA, I have done my PhD, and after getting my degree, PhD degree, I am in the academia. So I have almost 20 years of teaching experience now. I am teaching BTech and MTech level courses. Um, uh, so I have a lot of experience, and mainly I have worked in India. Reputed university I have taught here, Amrita University, PES College, Bangalore, DIT, and SRM University. So right now I am at home. For quite some time, I was thinking of starting my YouTube channel for this lecture series because I have seen that students, for any information, they always go online and look rather than looking into the textbook. They want to get the information from the YouTube much more quickly. And other than that, I also think that if I have my lectures all archived, recorded in the online platform, it can be accessed anytime, and it will reach more number of students. In the classroom, we teach 70 students, 80 students at a time. Then we repeat it for multiple sections. But now, this YouTube lecture series will be accessible to all students in India or outside of India. So everything is recorded in English. I also speak two other languages, Bengali and Hindi. I'm just mentioning if anybody wants to comment or want to ask more things about the subject, I can discuss in those languages also. So that is the objective of my creating this online channel, and I will show you how many subjects I have taught so far. So this is about my education, PhD, master's degree, and bachelor's degree. And my work experience, I was in the academia from 2003 to present, and in the industry from 1986 to 2002. So I have a lot of work experience. And right now I am at home. I am trying to utilize my time so that it gives me more satisfaction. Teaching is my passion, and I want to reach a more number of students um, like this. And I want to get a expand my student community. If any student come across this video, you can also refer it to your colleagues so that more number of students can benefit from this lecture series. I'm going to tell you my teaching experience. I have taught courses on the subject of microprocessors, advanced computer architecture, computer network, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data structure, big data analytics, programming languages, Python, Java, C++, prologue, all the different and many more. And I have taught many more subjects. I didn't mention all of them: operating system, distributed system, etc., etc. So I will be creating lectures on all these subjects, um, and you can access them. So I just before starting launching this, I wanted to introduce myself, my work experience, my educational qualification, and then I am going to launch the lecture series. And students, if you have any request, like give make some videos on some topic, particular topic, I'm going to make that also. So that's all. I hope you can make use of this lecture series and spread it uh, to the other students also, so that I get more motivated for creating these videos. Thank you, and see you in my next video.